Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pan and zoom on Filmora. Filmora allows you to add pan and zoom effects to your video using the crop and zoom tool. So here is a breakdown of the process. Start off by opening up Filmora application and then select your video clip. Once you add a video clip on the timeline, go ahead and right click on the video clip, and then this will show you a couple of options. Click on the crop and zoom option from the menu. This will display two different rectangular frames overlaid onto your video preview. These represents the start and end points of your pan and zoom effect. The green frame with start written below signifies the framing and position of your video at the beginning of the effect. The red frame where you can see end signifies the framing and position of your video at the end of the effect. You can manipulate these frames to achieve your desired pan and zoom effect. Drag the corners of the frames inwards to zoom in and outwards to zoom out. Click and drag any frame within the preview window to reposition it. This will create a panning effect from the start frame's position to the end frame's position. After you are done, click on OK and then play your video from the preview. The preview window will show you the video with the applied pan and zoom effect in real time. Make any further adjustments to the frame if needed, and once satisfied, click on the export button at the top and export your video, applying the pan and zoom effect. So that's how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.